This is all chopped seasoning. This carrots, celery, green onion, ginger, garlic, fermented vegetable. Also, here has the onion. Is fermented bean. So I will be stir fry first all the seasoning. I put some oil inside. I put the coconut oil. Put on the no heat and stir fry all the seasoning. You can put little carrots, the fermented vegetable, ginger, garlic, celery. Just stir fry about a few minutes until the golden brown. Now I did cook the chickpea. Continue stir fry, and I will put some seasoning. It's a paprika powder, the 5 spices, the Sichuan Peppercorn Powder, black pepper, put the rice, cooked rice. Add some salt. Mushroom powder. I will put some of the soy sauce. Last, I put some of the cilantro powder. I love it. And put the green onion. Done.